What's poppin', Chop Squad? It's your boy, Slate D Biggs for AnimeMCS, here today to do a live read react analysis of Chainsaw Man Chapter 63. And right off the bat, I gotta say this is probably gonna be a crazy chapter because the events that we were left off on, pretty intense. Denji stepped on the nail. He needed to get stabbed by that cursed nail one more time, and then he was going to die, basically. So, he got stabbed with the nail. We get to see the aftermath of it, and the chapter is called Trip to Hell. So you know, this is going to be one of those chapters. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So the first page, we have Denji and Beam lying on the ground with Tolka and his master looking down upon them. Denji is just kind of making his hurt face with his mouth open, and there's blood everywhere. There's lots of blood. Beam is knocked out. Tolka's master says, "You did it. Master." Next page. "You completed the job I assigned you. You've become a full-fledged devil hunter. Master, we can talk later. Let's hurry up and move him." Master? There's no need to move that body. You always followed my instructions diligently. There were times when I was hard on you, but it was all for your own good. What is happening? Yeah, he doesn't know either. He says, "I don't and then she interrupts him. "You're part of the family now, too." The family? What is the family? Next page. "Tolka, I'll tell you the secret to making a sophisticated doll." What? Wait. Okay. This is... What? Oh my god. I was not expecting this, dude. Okay. I got myself together. The human you'll turn into a doll. Okay. "Tolka, I'll tell you the secret to making a sophisticated doll. Take the human you'll turn into a doll and add emotions only humans have. Adoration, worship, pity, and the secret ingredient, guilt." And then she touches him, and he kind of makes the posture that the wooden dolls that Santa Claus does. And Denji is still lying on the ground with blood everywhere. Next page. What is about to happen, dudes? Oh my god. Whoa. What? Okay, he's looking up in the air. And he transforms into Santa Claus? Or what? What is happening? And then I think this bottom panel is Santa Claus walking into the store. Dude, what is going on? Okay, Aki wakes up on the ground. He sits up. Quan Chi and this dude are still brawling. Next page. I think he got thrown out the window again. Octopus Action grabs him and saves him. Quan Chi looks back and says, "You guys next," because everybody's awake now. Angel, Aki, the other bodyguards. "She's a monster." What is this future? Aki's confused. Dude, and it's going back to Tolka? Okay, cool. Next page. Whoa! Wait! What? Okay, so Santa Claus was walking into the department store. Tolka is standing like straight, like with his arms straight down. She's in the same position, and so is Santa Claus, who is now turned into a full doll. And now Tolka's master is saying bye-bye Grandpa. And he looks like he's turned full doll. I offer my heart and my beloved children in exchange, Hell Devil. Please call all living things in this department store to hell. And this was like his dying, like his last final action. What is going on? What is going on here? It looks like he had 4 kids. Crinkly old nasty finger goes over 3 of them. Is that last one Makima? Could it be? Hell Devil. Wow. Dude, that's intense. Whoa. What's going on? Okay, it's going back to Kobeni, Violence Devil, Beam, Dingy, Tolka, Quan Chi, everyone. They're all in like blackness, basically. It's dark. What's going on? What the hell is this? I don't know, you might have called it Violence Devil. It might be the hell. Kishibe. And the Aldo? Dude, what is going on? This is... Okay, Kishibe. That other devil hunter that was brawling with Quan Chi, they look like they're outside of the hell zone. And Aldo is down there too. And then a puppet walks up and gets down on the ground for Tolka's master to sit on. And I keep calling her Tolka's master because we clearly haven't been told her name. Have a good trip, Tolka. Whoa! That's crazy. Like a giant hand came down on the department store and just grabbed up everyone's souls? Dude. And now everybody's transported to hell, I guess. Is that a shoe? I see a shoe in a field of grass. Aki and everyone is back behind. Kobeni and Violence Devil are up front. And what the heck is going on the ceiling in there? Kind of looks like a bunch of computer error messages. I gotta say, hell looks a little bit less threatening than it does in Berserk. For those of you that have read or watched Berserk, the eclipse, bro. The eclipse. Wow. Man. A lot of quick movement. The plot is flying in this arc. Shit. That's one reason why I get so hyped on Chainsaw Man, is because every chapter, there's so much progression. It's boom, 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 boom. Never really feels like it's dragging on. And man, this chapter was none the different. This was just crazy. Took me a minute to understand what was going on. I still don't understand really what happened with Tolka, his master, and Santa Claus. She's actually his granddaughter. This shit is wild. What a great chapter. I really like that. I wonder if the fiends are going to remember, like, have flashbacks or recall memories because they're in hell. Is it like real hell or just some kind of like bubble version of hell? Like, you know, like an alternate dimension. And Denji's still on the ground covered in blood. What the heck is going on with that? You think maybe he's going to have some kind of revelation or sudden memory from Pochita because they're in hell, or it's going to give him some sort of like special power? I don't know. Thank you for watching the video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I sure as hell loved reading it. Next chapter is going to be insane. This arc in general has been great. And it kind of seems like things are really leading up. Like, there could only be a couple arcs after this left. Who knows? Anyway, that's all I got for this one. I hope you guys are staying safe and clean out there. I will see you for the next Chainsaw Man chapter.
Rock on, motherfucker.